The promise of Quietum Plus, a supplement for restorative silence. In this auditory scenario, supplements like Quietum Plus appear, advertised as remedies for the internal cacophony of ringing in the ears. These supplements are like additional musicians in the orchestra, promising restored harmony to the auditory system. However, just as every piece of music is not suitable for every audience, the effectiveness of these supplements is not universally recognized by the medical community. Many healthcare professionals take a cautious approach, aware that ringing in the ears is multifaceted and requires personalized assessment. Unraveling the effectiveness Enigma, the role of healthcare professionals. Just as a conductor leads an orchestra to ensure harmony, healthcare professionals play a crucial role in treating ringing in the ears. They are the experts who can analyze the score of an individual's hearing health, identify the specific causes of tinnitus, and then prescribe a personalized treatment plan. It is important to note that before adding new musicians to the orchestra, such as supplements like Quietum Plus, it is imperative to consult a healthcare professional. This professional can assess whether the supplement is a valuable addition to the treatment melody or whether it is just unnecessary noise. The intricate mosaic of treatment, medications and therapeutic approaches. In the search to restore silence, several approaches and medications have emerged designed to modulate ringing in the ears. Similarly, consider these options as colors in an intricate mosaic. Each color represents a unique strategy, from anxiolytic agents that calm the auditory pain to antidepressants that add positive nuances. Specific therapies, such as auditory rehabilitation therapy, can be seen as the brushes that refine the mosaic, providing a practical and targeted approach to treatment. As with any work of art, the choice of colors and techniques depends on the unique vision of the artist, or in this case, the healthcare professional. The importance of personalization. Why consult a healthcare professional? Just as a client would consult an interior designer to customize their living space, an individual with ringing in the ears should consult a healthcare professional to customize their treatment plan. Tinnitus is an individual experience, and what works for one person may not be effective for another. Consulting a healthcare professional is like having an expert in hearing design, someone who understands the complexity of individual acoustics and can create a bespoke solution. This personalized approach is crucial to achieving the right balance in each person's listening composition. Conclusion: the symphony of hearing health and the quest for restorative silence. Ultimately, the journey to finding relief from ringing in the ears is like a search for lost harmony in an auditory symphony. Supplements, medications, and therapies are valuable tools in orchestrating this return to restorative silence. However, it is vital to remember that conducting this symphony must be entrusted to healthcare professionals, those who understand the nuances and complexities of ringing in the ears. The quest for silence is not just a physical journey, but also an exploration of the mind and soul, where expert guidance is the baton that leads this unique melody. Therefore, as you embark on this journey, remember that the path to restorative silence is an individual and multifaceted experience, where every note, every color, and every technique plays a crucial role in the search for lost auditory harmony. Product link in comments.